hub. Let me show you. This is our model AXD 301 nebulizer. And let me show you. This is our machine. I hope you can feel the quality and the quality of the materials and our small care on every details like this part. We make it very smooth and safe for children. It is not sharp, not dangerous. And I hope you can feel the quality for the materials and also the model designs. And also this is our certificate spare parts like the cups, tubing, masks, use manual, as well as the packing box. Okay, you can see inside. We made some protection for it. We made products for every details like the children we love. We take care every details and quality is the life of our product. I hope one day you can try and test it by yourself. Take care.